Business idea to start at 35 years old. 1. Starting a consulting business. Sarah, a 35 years old marketing expert who decided to start her own consulting business. She had years of experience working for big corporations, but she wanted to use her skills to help small business and entrepreneur. She started by identifying the niche and creating a business plan. Then she reached out to her network and she started marketing her service. Today, Sarah's consulting business is booming and she's able to work with various clients. 2. Open a restaurant or a cafe. Alex, a 35 years old foodie who always dreamed of opening his own restaurant. Alex had years of experience working in the food industry but wanted to create a unique dining experience that reflects his passion for food. Alex started by scouting out the perfect location and creating a business plan. He then secured funding and hired a team of talent chefs and staff. Today, Alex restaurant is one of the most popular in town and is living in his dream. 3. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Rose, a 35-year-old writer who decided to start a blog and YouTube channel, focused on her passion for travel and adventure. Rose had always loved writing, creating content, but she wanted to turn her hobbies into a career. Rose started by creating high-quality content and building an audience. She then monetized it, her blog and YouTube, through advertising, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. Today, Rose's blog and YouTube channel are incredibly popular and she is able to make a living doing what she loves. 4. Creating and selling an online course. Michael, a 35-year-old expert in digital marketing who decided to create and sell an online course teaching his skills. Michael had years of experience working in the industry but wanted to share his knowledge with others and create a passive income stream. Michael started by outlining his course content and creating high-quality video lessons. He then marketed his course through social medias, email marketing. Today, market online courses is best sellers and is able to earn significant income from her course sales. 5. Start a podcast. Emily, a 35-year-old entrepreneur who decided to start a podcast focused on her passion for entrepreneurship and small business. Emily had always loved listening to podcasts, but she wanted to create her own show and build a community around it. Emma started by redefining her podcast niche and creating a content calendar. She then invested in high-quality recording equipment and edited her episodes. Today, Emily's podcast is one of the most popular in its niche, and she's able to connect with listeners and build a loyal community. 6. Create a mobile apps or game. David, a 35-year-old developer who decided to create a mobile apps or game. David had years of experience working in the tech industry but wanted to create something of his own and build a successful business around it. David started by researching his target market and creating prototype. Then he developed his apps and game. He markets them through social medias and app store optimizations. Today, David's apps and games are incredibly popular and able to earn significant income from in-app purchase and advertising. 7. Start a real estate investing business. Rachel, a 35-year-old entrepreneur who decided to start a real estate investing business. Rachel always had the interest in real estate, but she wanted to create a business that would generate passive income and build wealth over time. Rachel started by educating herself on real estate investing, building a network of contacts. She then started investing in rental properties and renovating them for resales. Today, Rachel's real estate investment business is booming and she's able to earn massive income from rental properties and property flipping. 8. Create and sell ebooks or book. Kerry, a 35-year-old writer who decided to create and sell ebook on Amazon direct publishing. Kerry had always loved writing, but she wanted to turn her passion into a career. Kerry started by outlining her ebook content and creating a writing schedule. She wrote and edits ebooks and designed the cover. Today, Kerry ebook is bestseller on Amazon. She is able to earn a significant income from her book sales. 9. Starting a subscription box business. James, a 35-year-old entrepreneur, wanted to start a subscription box business. James had always been interested in e-commerce, but wanted to create a business that would provide unique, personalized experience for customers. James started by researching his target market and creating a business plan. He then sourced products and created a subscription box service that would deliver personalized products to customers each month. Today, James' subscription box business is booming and is able to earn significant income from the subscription fee. 10. Create and sell an online coaching or consulting service. Lisa, a 35-year-old coach who decided to create and sell online coaching service. Lisa has always been passionate about helping others, but wanted to create a business that will allow her to work with clients remotely. Lisa started by redefining her coaching niche and creating a business plan. She then developed a coaching program and marketed her service through social media and email marketing. Today, Lisa's online coaching business is booming and able to earn significant income from her coaching clients. That's it for today's video on 10 business ideas for 35 years old. We hope you find these stories inspiring and informative. Remember, start a business, take hard work, dedication, but with right mindset and strategies, you will achieve success.